Apa tu ngaiko siya? Okay, we start our lesson first. Okay, we'll start the new topic today, chapter 6. So we have 3 chapter more to go, chapter 6, chapter 7, and chapter 8. Chapter 8 see depends kita boleh dah score lah. The important is chapter 6 and 7. It's very important and SPM must score question. Okay, so trigonometric function, actually you already learned about the trigonometry in your mathematics already. So some concept we will bring up to our MS lesson lah. Can hear everyone jelas boleh Okay, screen pun jelas kan, tak ada lag kan? Okay, so you tengok cikgu punya slideshow, you tahu cikgu suka yang bunga-bunga, yang comel-comel punya lah So we start our first lesson. Today we learn about the positive and negative angles. The angles before that, thank you so much. Okay, we learned about the positive and negative angles. You see this. So this is, before we go through this, we have to revise about the angles in Cartesian plane. So we start to label first. This is our Cartesian plane kan, start Cartesian. Okay, then you already learned about what to say? Yeah, I love you so much. I love my 5A so much. Okay, so we have 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is our 4 quadrant, useful one, kena ingat. So we start to level 0 degree. Where are the 0 degree? Yeah, you also comel. Oh, my lovely children. Kosong di mana? 0 degree.
In between first and fourth quadrant.
Here, right? Here is 0 degree, 0 degree. Then after this, we move We move to here. Here is 90 degree. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Total is 360 lah. Pandai lah semua. Itu tak pandai, tak boleh masuk kelas MX, kelas 5A kan. Then, 360. One round, right? So satu circle, it will gain you 360 degree, right? The labyrinth, any problem? No problem, right? So the first quadrant will share the angles in between 0 to 90. Second quadrant, 90 to 180. Third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Then this direction, tell me this direction is from here. That you have to, let's say you have an angle here, you have to start from this point. You have to measure from this point. So measure from this point. This one we call clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. This one is anti-clockwise. For anti-clockwise, the angle like this, it will move from 0 degree to 360. This one we call the positive angles. So if the angles move in the anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, then we call it as positive angle. How about the negative angles? We see this. So we learn about, we do revise about the clockwise and anti-clockwise. What is the moving of the clockwise? Moving of clockwise is, here is 0 degree. This one is clockwise. Sorry, wrong. Terbalik pula. So we start. 0 degree. Clockwise. Clockwise, macam ni. We always start from this point. We always start from this point. The x-axis here, we start from this point. We start from 0 So if clockwise macam ini, this one is clockwise, right? I'll follow the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is it? Follow the time. See, if like this, then it's clockwise. So for clockwise, this is positive or negative angle?
Negative.
Negative angle, you see this, you see the numbers, This one 360, But if negative, you mean that 360 to 0. No, actually it's 0 to negative 360. Dia akan terbalik. So this one become negative 90 degree, negative 180 degree, negative 270. So you no need to remember about the nombor-nombor lah. Ini nanti kamu tanda sajalah. Yang important is the drawing lah. The drawing. So you remember for clockwise. For clockwise, it will move like this. Then for anti-clockwise, it will move like this. Okay, terbalik. 12, 11, 10, 9, terbalik. This one anti-clockwise, this one clockwise. Okay? Okay? Nah, cantik sekali. Mula daripada sini. Like this, this one is clockwise. Clockwise. Then, anti-clockwise, macam ni. Okay? Like this lah. Nah, you see positive angles, negative angles. Okay, so you remember for positive angles, ini ada quadrant 1, so you have to remember quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. For positive angles, quadrant 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. The angle from quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. But for negative angle, we will start from the another side lah. Yang bawah tu lah, daripada bawah X itu S6. So is quadrant 4, 3, 2, 1. Dia terbalik 1 lah. So okay, so it's from 0 until 360 degree. See? I marked the value here already. This is 0, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and negative 360 back. Dia semua adalah negatif. Yang ingat ialah apa? The starting point. Starting point. So we always start at this point. Okay? For positive angle, start from quadrant 1. Then we end up at the quadrant 4. Okay, we start at quadrant 1, end up at quadrant 4. Then for the negative number, we start at quadrant 4, end up with quadrant 1. Alright? Then clockwise, anti-clockwise, kamu tahu lah, kamu lukis saja lah, not so important. Boleh? So far boleh? Positive and negative angles? Okay, Remember, your starting point always from the positive S6. This is positive S6. As this is negative S6. Positive Y6, negative Y6. Tahu kan? Positif, negatif, Okay, yang perkataan bunga-bunga itu tidak penting. Yang penting kena tahu lukis. Boleh? Chapter ini sangat penting untuk lukisan. Kalau kamu tidak dapat lukis, kamu tidak dapat tulis langkah kamu dengan betul. Okay? Okay, so now I would like you to look at these two diagrams, diagram 6.1 and diagram 6.2. So can you tell me the diagram 6.1 is positive or negative numbers? This one. This is for positive or negative number? This one. The value here is what? Yeah, positive. Positive, because we look at the quadrant. Quadrant 1, 0 to 90. 0 to 90. We start, go up. Go up is positive. So you see, I highlight with the different color already. So you see the quadrant, the one, the positive one, this angle 90 degree is in quadrant 1. So we call this a quadrant. Suku, satu suku. Then dua suku will become a semicircle, the purple color one, the angle. The angle in between these two will form a semicircle. Then this 3/4, tiga suku, the pink color one, Then the last one, a full circle, quadrant 4, the green color. Then the angles we learned before that is up to 360 degree only, right? Dulu yang kita sudah belajar, kita akan for mathematics lah, you learn about the You learn about the angle in between 0 to 360 degree only, right? You don't learn about the value more than 360, right? Kita tak ada belajar untuk angles yang more than 360. But now, of course, we go to MX already. MX is advanced learning, additional. So we will learn about more. For example, 1000 degree. So where does it locate? Okay, you have to know 1000 degree. 1000 very easy one. 1000 degree letak di quadrant 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Dia letak mana? Boleh kamu teka? Quadrant 5 Bukan. 1000. I think it's quadrant 3 lor. Later I will show you how we do this. No worry. Then another one is this is what we learned. The first one we will have the value more than 360. Yeah, quadrant 3. How do you know first? Yeah. Then the second one we will learn about like diagram 6.2 the negative one, the negative angles. Yeah, pandai. Okay, the negative angles is this one. You see, we're starting from the bawah tu, daripada bawah SS6. So starting from 0, here is negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and negative 360. But the labeling for quadrant still the same. You jangan, cikgu sekarang dia negatif, jadi saya tukar quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Boleh tak? No, cannot. Tak boleh. Macam tu salah. Okay? You have to very clear that the quadrant kita pakai satu saja. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Quadrant masih sama. Hanya angles dia tukar saja. Dia punya sukuan pertama, kedua, ketiga, keempat. Memang fix. Okay? We always the same thing lah. Then only the value here. Here is positive. Then here is 0 over 360. Then here is 90, 180, 270. Okay? Kalau dia positif lah, one line like this lah. Tapi kalau dia negatif, we count from the another side loh. We count from the another side. 0, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. Like this lah. Your library is like this lah. Okay, any question? Boleh? Tinggal 24 saja. Boleh Siapa yang hilang? Never mind lah, we continue So now, and okay, also the revision lah, how to change the degree to radian. How do we change the value for degree to radian? Why suddenly satu slide sini? Because I want to share you, to show to you how we're going to change the degree to radian. Okay. Actually, we can use a calculator lah. Your calculator, different calculator, you can have the function change the degree to radian, right? But you know I'm the type I don't like to remember so much things, so I always draw or using the concept lah. You see how I'm going to generate the value for degree to radian, For one circle, 360 degree, right? Okay, 360 degree equal to how many pi radian? I write equal lah. One circle we have 360 degree lah. So it will have 2 pi radian, right? Ini yang mesti tahu punya lah. Okay, 2 pi radian So 1 degree is how many radian lah? 360 degree is 2 pi radian lah So 1 is this one, move to another side, it become multiply, move to another side, become divide 2 pi over 360 radian. So it means that this is equal to pi over 100 degree radian. Okay, 1 degree. I remember this one lah. So 1 degree equal to pi over 180 degree radian. Don't write the degree, also never mind. So for example, now if you have x degree, so x degree equal to how many radian? X degree equal to x multiplied with the pi over 180 radian. That's it lah. Okay. If you couldn't remember this one, pi over 180 or 180 over pi, because some students will forgot. Like me lah, I always forgot. Mana satu dulu, mana satu tak dulu. Ataupun kamu ingat macam tu, degree to radian, the value become smaller, right? The value become degree to radian. The value this one will become smaller, so it's divide 180 lah. So it's multiply the value divide pi over multiply to pi 180 lah. And if radian to degree, the ballet lah, because radian to degree the value become bigger lah. So it's 180 over pi lah, the ballet. Okay? Can So now degree to radian. So now you can remember already, degree to radian. So it's multiply pi over 180 lah. Okay, darab boleh So first we do it together lah So 180 degree, how to change to radian? Okay, multiply 180 multiply with pi over 180 radian. So it's pi radian. Okay, look it in pi. No need to change to 3.142 or what. Okay, kalau soalan tak ada minta, biar dia dalam pi saja And now I go to the second one, 200. Can you try and tell me your answer? And tell me your answer in the chat box, okay? Everyone try lah. 200 equal to how many radian? Any answer? You try lah. You calculator letak di tepi, buat sama-sama mah. Kalau kamu tak ada buat, nanti you mengantuk. Yeah, the answer is 3.49 something, 3.491, why 3.491? How to press it, calculator? I don't teach the one using calculator to change degree to radian because I don't like the method. I only teach to use the step. Okay. 200 times pi over 180 radian. So you will get 200 over 180 how many? 10 over 9 pi radian. Boleh buat jawapan dalam bentuk ini saja. Kalau soalan tak ada suruh kamu how many significant figure. If the question didn't ask, you can like it in this form. No problem. Yeah, Flasia, do you have question? No question. Okay, macam tu boleh. Macam ini sudah betul lah. Tapi kalau kamu tukar pun tidak ada salah lah. And time pi. Shift pi lah So your answer, you can change to it's around 3.4906 something, right? Make it 0.07 betul. Ataupun 3.491 betul. If you write 3.4906 salah lah, tolak markah. sebab belakang tidak betul. You didn't run off. Okay, this is the basic knowledge about the calculation. Okay, now you try this one. Negative. How to do negative? How to change? Same thing lah. Huh? Negative. Jangan tengok negative terus, itu panic sudah. The same thing. Huh? Degree change to pi radian. Pi radian bagi kecil bagi besar. Okay, radian. Many, huh? Just like it in radian, in pi radian, no need to change into the what? No need to change into pi. So you get negative 67/120 pi radian, or negative 0.5583 radian. I forgot to write radian. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write radian. Kalau tak ada radian, tak ada markah. Oh. Radian. Okay. Okay, then another one. Okay, D. Everyone look at D. How are you going to do D? How to do the question involving the minute, degree, and minute before you change to radian. Jangan tekan calculator saja. Tukar itu minute become radian first. So it's 110/60 because 60 minutes will be 1 degree, right? So 10 minutes is 60, is 10/60 lah. Okay lah. You kena tahu konsep itu. Jangan tiap hari tekan calculator saja. Jangan too depends on the calculator lah. So it's 10/60. So it's become how many? 10/60. 1/6 times 100. So we get 50/3 or 16.667 lah. What I'm doing? See? Apa yang saya lupa? 600, 100 times 10/60. You'll get 50/3 degree. Okay? Change to decimal. 16.67 degree. Okay? Or no need to do this. If you do this, tidak tepat. Ya, dia dalam bentuk fraction. Then multiply with radian. Pi/180 radian. Okay? So it's 50. So you get 5/54 pi radian. Actually, dalam bentuk ini saja sudah cukup. No need to change into the what decimal or what lah. Because we accept this answer one. Kalau soalan tak ada minta how many decimal places or how many significant figure lah. Kalau soalan ada minta, so your answer will be 0.2909 radian. But normally the answer will be in pi radian. Pi for trigonometric. Okay. Then now we go back how to change radian to degree. How to change radian to degree. If you cannot remember, couldn't remember, 2 pi equal to 360 degree lah. 2 pi radian, 2 pi radian equal to 360 lah. So 1 radian is, so your 1 radian is 360 over 2 pi. So equal to 180 over pi. Or you remember radian to degree. Radian to degree, so the value is small to become big. Small to become big. So big 180 at the front, pi at the back. Above is 180, below is pi. So that it will bring to the bigger answer letter. Okay, so your value, your s radian is equal to x multiplied with the value like this. Can, the ballet, yes. So radian to degree, so you mark first, the value will be to degree, small to big. So big at the above, pi kat bawah, macam tu 180 over pi. So pi radian is pi 180 over pi degree. So the answer is 180 degree. Second, 3 over 4 pi, tulis saja 180 over pi. Simplify. How many? 3 times 180 over 4. 135. Remember the degree lah. Tenang saja kan. Inilah negatif, pun negatif sajalah. Apa-apa peduli dia, no worry. 0.1.5 times 180 over pi. But this one dia tak ada pi kan, so you have to change 1.5 times 180. 270. Negative 270 degree over pi. So have to change, divide. To divide by pi. How many? Everyone practice. Your answer negative 85.9 or 437. 94. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know how to count the decimal significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 significant figure. Okay, kalau dia kosong-kosong tak ada kira lah, sifat tak ada kira. Kira yang ada numbers tu. Okay, 4 significant figure. So try this. 15 over 4 pi. Multiply 180 over pi. Up, down. Buang, Kalau tidak jelas, aku tulis jelas sikit lah. Pi at the front. So it's 15 pi over 4 multiply with 180 over pi. Up and down, we can simplify lah. So how many? 180 times 15 divided by 4. 675. Okay, 675 degree. So this is all about the revision lah. Good, good girl. Semua pandai, So now, how to determine the position of an angle in quadrant? Okay, soalan dia akan tanya, okay, for example, 1000. Okay, in which quadrant? Dia di quadrant 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Mana satu quadrant? We have to determine lah. So if the value is, dia ada dua jenis value. One is in degree lah. Degree. Another type is in radian. Then for the questions in radian, biasanya kita tahu cikgu jenis yang malas nak ingat lah. Saya akan tukar radian jadi degree dulu lah. Dan lepas tu baru saya pusing-pusing dia di which quadrant. Okay, so before we do this, we have to, one more thing to remember. This is your quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4 lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Itu susunan mesti betul. Okay, so for positive angles, it will move like this. Okay, Then for negative number, the ballet, it will move like this. Okay, this one okay, can remember, huh? So you have to know this one first, then we can only move lah. Okay, can continue, huh? Boleh kan? So now try one question. We try this question example 1, huh? Yeah, how to find the answer in quadrant. Okay, then show your angle on Cartesian plane. The first one, biasanya, cikgu buat macam tu lah. Langkah cikgu lah. Saya jenis yang malas mah. Okay, I will write first. 80 degree is at 100 degree divide by 360 degree first. Because one circle, I want to know it have how many circle. So because one circle we have 360 degree, right? So I will count 800 divide 360 lah. Saya akan bahagi dia dulu lah. Jangan tulis macam tu lah. Terus saya tekan calculator. So I will press calculator divide 360. So I will know 800 degree. 800 degree divide by 360 is how many? What? How many? So it's 2.22 something circles, right? Okay, 2.2222, right? Betul, huh? So it means that it will have 2 circle. Dia ada 2 circle. 2 circle ini berapa degree lah? 2 circle is 2 times 360 lah. So this one will gain you 720 degree lah. So yang tinggal itu berapa degree? 800 minus 720. So still have 80 degree lah. So 80 degree, this one is in which quadrant lah? 80 degree is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 lah. Yellow, dia di quadrant 1 lah. Jadi 80 kamu akan di sini lah. Your 80 degree. So it will be at quadrant 1. So the answer is it will locate at quadrant 1. Then how you going to show the Cartesian plane? How you going to draw? How you going to draw? We draw like this. I draw bigger for you, huh? Tidak cantik. Teku lukis cantik-cantik. Okay. You have to draw 0, 90 is positive, it's positive, so you don't have to put the negative value. 0, 90, 180, 270, and back to 360. Ya, kita kena mula lukis spiral. Okay, starting from here, x-axis, how many circle? 2 circle mah? 2 circle, ha? 1 circle, jangan henti ya. 2 circle. 2 circle, ha? Then continue. Stop at quadrant 1, right? Quadrant 1 sini. Stop at quadrant 1. Macam tu lah. So your line. Macam tu 80 ya. You know where is 80? Maybe more to here lah. More to here. So to lukis, put an arrow until here. So this is your angles. The angle we show on the Cartesian lah. Macam tu. From this here start and from this here end. Okay, start here and here. 1, 2. Boleh? Boleh, ya, ubang nyamuk. Cipu. Boleh, Sekarang kamu coba inilah. B. Radian. Ada 2 method. Ada mereka pakai itu method. Buat dia dalam 2 pi radian. Memorize the value for the pi radian. Okay, sini. So the first one, this one is 0 pi. Then or 2 pi. So here is pi. Here is 1 over 2 pi. Here is 3 over 2 pi. Do you like this method? If you like it, you can do this. But for me, I don't like to do this. And I also don't like to teach this method because I don't want the other student to confuse. Saya tak pakai inilah. Biasanya saya tak suka pakai radian punya. Radian punya. Saya tak ada. Saya sekali saya akan selaraskan jadi dia degree. Then how we going to draw? We change it into degree first. Add one more step only. And this won't spend you a lot of time during the exam. Sebab soalan jenis trigo dia pun keluar beberapa soalan saja kan waktu SPM. Janji kamu jawab dengan betul kan? Langkah dia panjang sikit tidak apa. Tapi untuk budak-budak yang sangat pandai itu at the top, kamu lebih pandai. Mungkin I believe a lot of you will be more clever than me. Kamu boleh pakai itu, you pakai kaedah yang advance tu lah. Tapi I don't teach, I use the simple one. So this one, change to degree first. Okay, this is my method, the simplest method I use. So radian change to degree. Radian change to degree is pi atas atau pi bawah, 180 above or 180 below. Radian to degree, so bigger, right? Bigger is 180 above loh. Okay, 180 di atas supaya nilai dia akan bersama. Dan bawah itu pi lah. Macam tu So simplify. Sudah cepat dapat jawaban. Slow and steady. 19 times 180. 3, 4 through all. Divide by 6. So you get 570 degree lah. We change to degree first because we used to in degree lah. So for degree okay, now 570 degree is how many circle 570 divided by 360 lah. 570 divided by 360, so you will get 1 plus circle, right? 1 plus circle, so you will have 1 circle here already lah. This circle gains you 160 degree lah. So then another circle 570. The rest of the degree 570 minus 360, 110, So 570 is 360 plus 110 lah, 210 Oh, sorry. 210, sorry Apa saya buat 210 degree. 210 degree is which quadrant 0, positive 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So dia akan di 210, 180, 210 mana? 180, 210. Like this 210 quadrant 3. Dia akan di quadrant 3 lah. So your answer is it will be a quadrant 3 lah. Then after this we'll have to draw in the Cartesian plane. This is Cartesian plane. Then positive 1 circle satu bulatan dulu, square satu bulatan dulu. Okay, jangan tutup saja. Then continue until here. Hook and arrow. Then mark it. This is 570 degree. Okay, I forgot to mark it at the. This one also need to mark. This is 800 degree. This is 570 degree. Boleh? Ingat arrow tu arrow itu tak ada lukis tak boleh. Arrow itu dia pergi sini, dari sini. This first point, draw here. This drawing very important. If you don't know how to draw, then you cannot go to the next part. Boleh? Ini sekarang buat ini. Negative. Okay, negative 200. Okay, terus beritahu cikgu how many circle and pecahkan dia dulu lah. Okay, 200 divided by 360. Oh, so tak ada pecah, dia memang satu circle saja kan. Sorry ha, salah. First So in which quadrant? Which quadrant? Quadrant 3, huh? Yeah, you sure quadrant 3, huh? See this. This is positive or negative? Negative or? Quadrant dia memang tak ada pintar. Quadrant memang kita tulis 1, 2, 3, 4, huh? Quadrant memang 1, 2, 3, 4, huh? But now it's negative, negative, so your labeling is different now. We always start from 0, huh? Then terbalik pula, negative. Here, now we move downward. We move downward. Move downward here is negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. So your value of the angles is different now. So negative 200. Sini kan? Quadrant 2. Okay. So it will be a quadrant 2. Yeah, Vincent correct, Nestor correct. Semua pandai. Okay, bukan quadrant 3 ya, tapi quadrant 2. So dia akan di sini lah. Itu tak payah, itu sangat tepat. Dia kiri kanan itu not so important. The important is the line here. Correct, huh? So after this, we start to draw the line, the angle, huh? Starting from 0 here, then don't go up now. Now is the balik one. It's clockwise. I don't remember. I always don't remember the clock or anti-clockwise. Saya ikut gambar saja. Kamu tengok negatif dia macam ni lah. Macam ni. Negatif. So it's move like this. So label here, negative 200 degree. Boleh? Can, Any feedback? No problem, huh? No feedback mean no problem, huh? Can. Okay, so now everyone try to do this question. You try. I don't try. I give you 2 minutes to try this. So how to do this? Always you see the radian, change into the degree first. Change the degree first. You do. I give you 1 minute. You change the degree. Change the degree is 180 over pi, huh? So fast, Yeah, do the rest. Last question already. I teach so little today. So we have to change into the degree first, Negative 25 pi over 4. Okay, change to degree 180 over pi. Kamu pakai calculator itu tak kisah lah, suka hati kamu lah. Asalkan kamu punya jawaban betul lah. Okay, so 225 times 180 divided by 4. So you get negative, remember, negative 1125 degree. Okay, negative 1125 degree is how many circle? 1125 divided by 360 lah. So you will get 3 plus circle. Okay, you will have 3 circle. Okay, 3 circle will gain you 3 times 360. So fast, pandai. So you will 10 as 0, then lagi 1125 minus 10 as 0, dan satu pula lagi negative 45 degree loh. So this one dia one circle tak payah peduli, yang penting adalah sini negative 45. Negative 45, this one is quadrant 1 or quadrant 2 or quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. You cannot say that teacher 45 is quadrant 1. No, what? The ballet. Yeah. Quadrant 4. We draw out first. Tulis dulu. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Then because negative 0, negative 90, negative 180. Jangan malas lah. Tulis sajalah. Isi saja supaya kamu tak salah lah. Jangan selalu skip ini, skip itu. So, negative 45 is somewhere here loh. Here, tengah-tengah sini. So, it's located at quadrant 4. Yeah, quadrant 4. Then you start to draw lah. Draw how many circle? Bulatan. Lukisan kena betul. Satu circle kurang pun tak boleh. Jadi, negative, downward. Okay, starting from downward. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. Sambung sampai sini. Jangan macam itu sibuk yang macam cikgu ini tidak cantik. Kamu lukis cantik-cantik. So here is negative 1125 degree. Or negative 25 over 4 pi radian. Okay? Can? Pening kepala, pusing-pusing. Kamu pusing sendiri, tidak ada pening. Kamu tengok saya buat, mesti kamu pening. Okay? Kamu sendiri buat, kamu sangat gembira lah. Macam saya. Okay, anak. So far, any question? Can, Are you fully understand for this part? So what you need to do, we do some revision, conclusion first. What you need to do for this part of question. At first, you have to measure whether it's positive or negative number. Positive or negative number. Okay, after this, you have to start the labeling. Okay, I add up one more slide for you. We do conclusion. Sorry, this one. Apa tu? Mana layout saya? Okay, so we do some conclusion. Conclusion today about positive or negative angles. So first step, you have to know whether it's positive or negative. Okay, kalau positif, you punya graph nanti macam ini lah, you moving like this. We no need to remember anti-clockwise or clockwise. Yang penting kamu kena tahu lukis. Okay, positif. Then if negative, negative angle, dia akan gerak macam inilah. Alright, this is the first. And the second one, so you have to see how many circles. How many circles? No. The second one is, kalau dia, remember I will only count in degree only lah. But if, ya ini white box saya. So, kalau dia degree, kalau dia radian, ingatlah kamu kena change to degree first. You have to change to degree first. For me lah. For me, change to degree very important lah, because I love degree more than radian. And the third step is, you see how many circles. Kamu bahagi dia lah, divide 360 lah. You will know how many circles. Then after this, you will know where is which quadrant lah. You have to know mana satu quadrant. Boleh? Electrical boleh? Mana satu quadrant. Macam mana kamu boleh sambil chatting, sambil tengah cikgu ajar, pandai betul kamu orang. Okay? First step, second step, third step. Which quadrant? So after you confirm, then you only draw in your Cartesian plan. Then you just start your drawing. Okay? Boleh? Any question? Ari tadi ya haha padaku. Okay, anak. Everyone okay, huh? So that's all I want to teach today. I don't want to teach a lot. Kenapa ada satu lagi? Oh, salah, saya lupa. Move to wrong place. Ini for next lesson. So this is what I want to teach today. This is the conclusion. Then this is the homework today lah. Later I will upload in Telegram a little bit homework today. Make sure you can finish it by today. Because if you don't do it today, then tomorrow got new lessons again. Then tomorrow we'll have new homework again. Okay? You tak ada ikut, esok you blur-blur lagi. Jadi hari ini kamu kena buatlah sikit saja. Okay, anak? Okay, stop my recording first. And don't go first, we take a picture first,